What's up, guys? So this next sponsored product is probably the greatest thing that I never knew existed. This is the GiRAFFE Tools Grandfalls pressure washer. It's wall mounted and it has a bracket so you can turn it outwards. And also the main thing, it's got a 65-foot auto-retracting cord. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So this part number is P115G20. Alright, got the user's manual. Okay, in the box you've got the 5-foot lead-in hose with a filter on one end. You've got 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15, 25, and 40 degrees. You've got hardware and a level to mount the pressure washer to the wall. Of course, you've got the pressure washer gun, and it comes with a metal gun lance. And this will actually hold the 4 quick connect nozzles that come with the kit. And then we have the pressure washer unit itself. So I was wondering what this was for, and yeah, they include a foam cannon. It looks like it doesn't even take much space on the wall. The manual says to install the pressure washer at a height approximately 24 to 32 inches above the ground to maximize the function of auto retraction. All right, let's go ahead and measure out where we're gonna put it. To 32. Okay, so it can be anywhere in between here. All right, found a stud here, which is perfect. Basically where I drew it. Dude, that's so sick. Let's go ahead and attach this. For the water inlet hose, one end has a filter right here. You're gonna want this one going into the pressure washer. When tightening it to the machine, you don't want to use any wrenches because it might cause damage. All right, we've got power. Now we just need water. All right, connect the hose. All right, let's see how far we can pull this out. I got it maxed out here. The cord is like a really nice soft material. Give it a little tug, let go. Hang up the gun. And switch it off. That's it. Dude, that's so nice. Fits in the way. Get it closer with the wall. Let me show you what I was using before. You gotta connect water, you got the sprayer gun here, and then you need power. So you got 3 cords, and basically with the water hose attached, I've got to bring it on this side, move the entire thing with buckets and car wash materials like everywhere. So yeah, you can clean up the power cord, you can wind up the sprayer hose cord, but who wants to do all this after spending hours detailing your car? Check out how I normally store the pressure washer. Cords everywhere, taking a lot of space. Then you got the GiRAFFE Tools pressure washer out of the way, taking barely any space. You guys know my wheels are ceramic coated with Geon rim. We're gonna just do some Geon foam pre-wash on it and then just spray it off. Usually that's good enough to get 99% of the brake dust off. So with Geon foam, I use this so often I'm almost out. But you want to mix it 1 part Geon foam to 5 parts water, up to 15 to 1. And this can be sprayed on without pre-rinsing the surface. And then extend it as long as we need it. So if you guys notice, I was pulling the cord out, and as soon as I got as much as I needed, it automatically locked in place. And it's going to stay that way until I extend and let go. Switch connectors. All right, we're all done cleaning the wheels, so this is my favorite part. Just give it a little pull. And that's it. Once the cord's retracted, turn it off, and you're done. If you want a little more room, go ahead and turn it. Just like that.